in our language, French, Siam, j'y peux jouer, je l'étais chez moi, il n'a fait que tout.
That is Igbo you are speaking. On te tell moi. That's what you just said. On te tell moi.
Anyways, wanna join us as we welcome Josh2funny for Inside Studios. Welcome, Josh. Meanwhile, we watch some videos, some hymnal procession.
Yes.
2 or 3 videos from Josh. Then we'll come back so you understand what we
decide whether in there that's a name Josh2funny, whether in deserve him or whether making change in name.
We are coming back.
This deserve
Yes.
You deserve it. Watch it, we are coming. Wait, you know the first one I see. Now that the hymn from Kiss Daniel.
Okay, say lie or
Lie. So might give you a hymn. Might give you our own hymn book.
bring it. What's the hymn?
What hymn number is it? 440.
9785.
9785. 9785.
See, I'm here.
Okay, 9785.
This is the processional. Okay, lie. Hymn 9785.
Yes.
Resting and be brace. Ranyi baby enjoy. O she fule fún mi, o she fún mi. Láyé mi ewe, baby ojo na mi. O she fule fún mi, o she fún mi. Láyé onono, baby olo ewe le metesi. This thing is the words are upside down. The word is.
You can't release album soon.
Yeah, that is very so. I've not released some albums in the past. In the future, we'll still release more.
Josh, welcome to the show. Tell us about yourself. Where you come from? I remember the first time I see Josh. Now for first stack for DCC called CDD.
Okay.
David Christian Center. Where you come with coffee. You get one dog material where you give. I beg if you talk up just for my sake. I beg talk up. Before we continue, please. I'm selfish. I don't care. Say it.
All right. Say Igbo people. What I like Igbo people is that Igbo people don't waste money for nonsense things. Igbo people. You never hear say Igbo guy buy dog. Igbo guy don't buy dog anyhow. They go to take them for their mind. Say on real 1.5, we get a real 2.5. You go now buy. So, you know, Americans, they buy dog. Americans will buy pets, dog, cats. If we hear
different version of the dog.
Yes. We will take care of dog and cats. Like say they be human beings. And the names where they give dog. If you give dog, Kimberly, Jackson, fine names.
Rita.
You want your name be Rita, you can't go to the house, they can't say, yeah, you are my dog, your namesake. Imagine say, boy, guy can't buy dog. You go use verse, give the dog one stupid name. Odogu. You get one way buy one dog. You name the dog Chinedu.
Idiot, your father.
And when they call him the dog nonsense name, the dog call him back with Igbo accent. Honestly, check Igbo goat, confirm Anambra goat or Enugu goat. Me.
Now just tell me, what is your real name? Where you come from? Because I don't say Igbo.
Yeah, I'm one Igbo. I'm Igbo.
Tell us how
you never bleach.
You go know why Igbo put the bleach.
I don't know.
No, what are you trying to say? The Igbo put a bleach.
Who bleach?
He say, how come you never bleach?
I know. We don't bleach.
We not a bleach now.
We don't bleach.
Because of Tonto Dike.
Please, don't kill the messenger. Hey.
Since I'm not be Igbo now. Anyway, tell us about you. Tell us where you come from. Tell us things we don't know about you.
My real name now Chibike Nwankwo Alfred Joshua.
Chibike now what for you? They just settled down Chibike Nwankwo Alfred Joshua. They just pack the whole name, give you. Scarcity of name day, now fuel, then they try save the name.
All right, but for convenience, you can call me Josh2funny.
Why you can't pick the Josh? Inside all
Joshua, inside Joshua, from Joshua.
And I don't like people they call me. Get as people they call that Joshua. They call you local. You understand? So I have to touch it up. You understand?
Josh2funny, Josh.
Yeah, Josh. Yeah, Josh2funny. So would they convenient for the outside people, the American?
Why you not go with Chibikem when everybody feels?
Hey, Chibike. That name is strong, bro. There's some name that they say when they mention of the name, everything is about. That's the kind of Chibike.
But now what's your mama they call you now?
No, my fans in America won't be able to pronounce all those names now.
What's your name?
Imagine they say Chibike. I know now.
What's your name?
Chibuki.
What?
Ah, no, man.
What? Oh, can I just stick with Chi? Where you come from originally? Where you come from?
I'm from Anambra State, Orumba North to be precise. Orumba North.
I guess Anambra people they keep.
You see, every state.
Our phone numbers they on top of that TV. Make una begin they call us to take for talk to us, talk to Josh2funny. Anambra people they are very industrious people.
Industrious in the way of what?
Industrious.
See, every state for Nigeria, once they tell you their state, people must find one thing where your state to do.
Wait till you know
say
about
they are
other
from Anambra State. I'm from Enugu State. Enugu State. They say Enugu people they chop people. If
Okay,
they say
what you don't hear about another state?
Others now they tell you now. If they say from Calabar, some people say, they say they do this one.
What they when they say they do?
Something about dog and something.
Hey, dog and what in again?
What do you hear? He mentioned dog.
They what the girls they clap.
Clap go heaven how? I mean, and they church they go to clap. I don't understand. You know what that means?
What the girls and the boys, all of them they get power to to clap.
Let's all clap to heaven now.
You know, every state get your own thing for Nigeria.
Now, why? What did make you choose comedy? Now, when you think, say, okay, I be like say I fun is small.
No, I know not be me think I'm sir. People know.
Oh, baby,
No, actually, since from when I small, I never know.
you know, you go see this person outside, you go see I'm feeling normal person. I say, he greet me, normal. I just answered.
Is it?
I just say maybe they
not everybody wear naked they mad.
No, honestly.
Again, people when they say they wear to match where they mad. They say Vico they normal. Vico, oh nyala.
Don't worry, we go bring Vico come.
We are going to bring Vico. Continue Vico. So what make you choose comedy? I mean,
you say no be him choose. You know.
Okay, no be you choose.
No. From when I was small, and I'm funny. But this one not be say they are funny. I not say I know well.
Only you and your family.
You make yourself laugh.
I make myself laugh, so
no be sick.
When I feel make myself laugh, what else? What is remaining? Was here for? So I started. I go school though. I studied computer. For technical school. I can't go study photography, and I can't do performance art from one other school like
only that. You.
Yeah, only me. So and I learned music production. So I sing where I produce songs too.
He get nowhere.
Now do
Success, good evening. One man mopo. Hello.
One man mopo.
Hello, good evening.
Evening.
Success, how is you?
Fine.
Talk to us.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm calling from First Stack.
Oh, hey, we hear you.
I'm from Second Stack.
Okay, no, it's for the paternity program going on the Wazobia TV.
Talk now.
Hello, can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Okay, I am Barrister Success.
Hey,
see, concerning the issue that happened in the House of Assembly, that is the State House of Assembly of Nasarawa. Hello?
My brother, wait, Barrister Success.
Yeah?
Because nigga wanna Who asked you about Nasarawa State House of Assembly?
I don't know.
No.
I am what? I'm going to do that thing.
I saw the display. So
I saw the display.
So.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay, easy.
Okay, easy.
Can you hear me right?
Can you hear me right?
Uncle did there for that video. You see, Uncle
this is Africa's voiceless issue.
No, I know it's a voiceless issue. We know. Good night, difference.
Say voiceless. Who asked you something?
Who asked you if it's a voiceless issue?
Or a voiceful
issue. Is it your voiceful?
I don't know.
Is it your voiceless? You see Josh2funny, right? Oh, sit down from Umar Abiko. What's it one name?
Hello.
What's it at the mouth? The one how is you? What's the one now?
Good evening.
Evening, Osadima.
Good evening. Nedu, na my first time ring for me, I beg. I don't. I like on a program when they try you and they want to come home like this.
Oh my, Aquanu!
Hey!
What's it, Aquanu? Yeah.
Hey!
Where's Wando? Well, also that will get Josh here. Talk to Josh. Josh.
Oh, see.
Welcome on.
Oh, see that. Hey, Chiku Gazi going to. Yeah, going to GCK, eh?
Good night. Sakwa bath before you sleep. Don't piss on the bed. You
Short night food.
We are going on the break when they come back. Nana, are you with me?
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.